The more active platforms you add to your Google business profile, the more trust you can build, both with customers and with Google itself. TikTok is a platform a lot of businesses keep linking, even though it's quite easy to add. I'm Soraya from MarketlyX, and linking TikTok is one of the additions we recommend, especially if part of your audience is a bit younger, because every active profile you connect adds to your overall credibility. In this video, I'll show you how to add your TikTok profile to your Google Business profile. Quick tip before we start: only link a TikTok profile that is active and up to date. An outdated or inactive profile can do more harm than good. Let's start with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is open your browsers and log into the Google account connected to your Google Business profile. Once you log in, go to business.google.com. At this stage, you will see one of two things. If you land on a page showing a Businesses tab open, select the profile you want to manage. If you are taken directly to your business profile dashboard, you can continue. Once you are inside your profile dashboard, click on Edit Profiles and scroll down until you see the Contact Information section. Now click on the Social Profile section and click Add Social Profile. Then click on the Social Profile field, and from the drop-down, choose TikTok. Paste the URL of your TikTok profile into the field. Make sure you include the full URL, starting with the https://. If you're not sure of your exact link, open TikTok in another tab, go to your profile and copy the URL directly from the address bar. Once added, check the link once again, and if everything is good, click Save. And that's it. Now you will see a small notification box from Google saying that it might take a few minutes for the change to be approved. It's very important that you let Google do its things and avoid making additional changes until the notification box disappears. Making multiple changes while Google is processing updates is one of the most common mistakes businesses make. In some cases, it can lead to changes being rejected or even the profile becoming unverified. As you can see, connecting TikTok less than a minute, but the fuller your Google Business profile will be, the more credible it will be. If you would like more guidance on optimizing or managing your profile, we have included useful resources, tools, and links in the description below. And if you'd like expert help, you will find details on how to work with us there as well. Otherwise, check out our Google Business Profile playlist for step-by-step tutorials that walk you through the entire process. Have a nice day and see you on the next video.